My name is Ravi Jagan. I'm 69 years old and I'm an advocate by profession. I've been myopic from a very young age, and I've been wearing glasses maybe for the last 60 years. A year or two ago, it was detected that I would need to have cataract surgery. My vision was getting dimmer and I was having difficulty in both my long vision and short vision. So I came to the clinic, and then I had my own apprehensions about my state of health. I'm diabetic, I'm hypertensive, I also take medicine for my thyroid. So my concern was the state of affairs of my retina. It started with a thorough examination and evaluation of my eye, and thankfully they found that my retina is perfectly fine. And it was decided that I would need surgery for both my eyes. And then it was decided that they will do a surgery for my left eye first, and a couple of days later for my right eye. So that was done. My left eye was done on the 22nd of March of this year, and the surgeon and the people assisting the surgeon and the OT were extremely competent people. There was absolutely no apprehension or fear I experienced in the operation theatre, not even the slightest discomfort. And the surgery was over in a matter of 10 minutes maximum. Post-surgery, again, there was no discomfort. Thereafter, 10 days later, I had my surgery for the other eye, the right eye. As I've always been short-sighted, myopic, so I really could not see very clearly. Now, after the surgery, there's a brilliant transformation which I cannot express in words. I don't need spectacles now, and I see very, very vividly, which has never happened to me all this while in my life. And I'm most grateful to these wonderful doctors and their assistants who have rendered this possible. And now it's been a month after both the surgeries are over, and I'm very happy. I would recommend that this clinic is, I find a lot of care, which is genuine here. There's nothing unnatural about this. They seem to genuinely care for their patients, and I'm extremely happy that I came here. Thank you very much.